Hello traders, in this video we are going to see about the trade which I have taken today. I am going to break down this. So the trade which I am focusing to trade today is MNQ, but I don't follow my trading rules and I get emotion and I get trade into MES. So I don't follow my entry model. So the lesson I learned today is if you are trying to catch four rabbit or two rabbit at a time, you cannot able to catch one rabbit. So if you are going to focus on one thing, just focus on one thing, guys. So the lesson I learned hereafter, I'm not going to take any trade in MES. I'm just going to focus on MNQ. So if I was just focusing on MNQ today, I should not, I won't be able to lose $300 today. You can see here my P&L statement of $300 losses. So that's my mistake. I don't follow my rules. So hereafter, I'm just focusing on MNQ. I'm not going to focus on MES. So let's break down the trade, what mistake I did today. So before going into the trade breakdown, you can see my P&L statement for today. So they have taken just one trade. I followed my risk management and trades. I should not be taking more than two trades. I just plan myself. So that's good for me. If you're following your risk management, then you'll be able to stable the long run of gain. So let me break down the video. So before 9:30 open, I'm expecting sell. Why? Because market is supporting the bearish speed area, right? You can see here price is supporting the bearish speed area. So here is the bearish speed area, and here you can see here price got inverse this FEG in London session. So I am expecting sell before 9:30. So my DOL is here. Before market open, I am expecting price today. I am expecting price need to share this gap. Today price going to fill this gap. So this is the draw for me before 9:30 open. So okay, after 9:30 what happened? So after 9:30, this is the 9:30 open candle. You can see here. So okay, here I am not getting any entry. How do you take how you are going to take entry here? So before that, I'm not having any idea to take a long from here. I just order flow SBS. I'm focusing on taking sales here, right guys? Okay, how was 9:30? 9:30 is bearish. So I'm waiting for 5 minutes. I just opened the 5 minute candle. Why? Because I am not having any IRL I am not having any IRL in 5 minutes or 15. I'm not having any IRL in 15 minutes. So I focused on, so you can see here, I just focused on 5 minutes. So I'm expecting 9:30 open. This is the liquidity I am expecting. Market open should take this liquidity, which means this liquidity. You can see here. Of this is the 9:30 open candle. This is the 9:30 open. I'm expecting 9:30 should be sweeping and falling like this, but it does not happen. So I'm not feeling for that. So Rigo, if you are going to enter here, okay, I have two entry opportunity before after market open, after the 2 or 3 minutes of the market, I get an entry. So the emotion which I get, the missing of this trade get me emotional trigger to take another trade, to take another trade. So I forced myself to take a trade in ES. How did I take this trade in ES, guys? So what entry I have missed here? You can see here. This is the buy side liquidity sheep, right? This is a sheep, and you can see here. This is the 5 minutes FEG, right? And here you can see this is the 5 minutes FEG, right guys? This is the 5 minutes FEG, and I will be seeing the SMT with the ES, right? Everyone that I will be seeing SMT with the ES. Okay, I'll be seeing this to ES. So this is the area which I looked. Here you can see which is the area. Oh, okay. When 9:30 open, this is 9:30 candle. 9:30 candle shoot this high, but here we are having SMT. You can see guys. Here we will be having a proper SMT with this candle. So this is the SMT. So I have confirmation that price is going to be sell here. My draw is bearish. So I am entering sell here, right guys? Okay. So if I was going to enter here in 1 minute, or I went for 1 minute for getting entry. So I am not able to get any entry in this zone. So You can see here is no PTRA in 1 minute, right? So I just having SMT confirmation right here. This SMT with here. Price is having SMT from here. So I just waited for price for any inversion, but here is no inversion. So after this manipulation, I went for 2 minutes. So I have a higher confirmation. Price is going definitely going to be bearish. So if I am entering here, where should am I going to enter, guys? You will be having a doubt, right? So I have marked the CAST. I don't know about CST, right? This is the CST candle. I marked below this. And if I was seeing enter into 1 minute. Why? Because I draw a CST in 2 minutes and I'm waiting for enter in 1 minute what the price is doing. Why? Because the opening range is so volatility. After seeing this rejection candle in 1 minute, I place my limit order right here in this CST of 2 minutes and I focus to RR. So missing of this trade cost me. Uh, I should need to take a trade. I need to take a trade. I need to take a trade. So the reason I have forced myself and I have taken trade in MES right here is the trade which I have taken here. So just symbol I was taken trade in here just by say liquidity. The price is will say the 5 minutes FEG. Here we are having a 5 minutes FEG. I see that this is a single shift and after this displacement I just done then 30 seconds. Here will be going to 30 seconds. So definitely I am not having any entry right here, guys. So that's only I am feeling for that. There is no entry for me. I just mark this FEG here 1 minute, right? So I enter in 30 seconds and this is the trade. I just mark this as a FEG. You can see doing this, marking this as an FEG and I will be trading. Okay, I'm going to short. I went for short here. So that's my mistake. I just focus on 1:2. That's my mistake, guys. This is my mistake. I don't follow my trading rules. So I'm not feeling for that. Thereafter, I'm not going to do any mistake. If you are learning from any mistake, just apply it and just learn from that. Before you go, if you are not taking this trade in years, where could you enter? So I'll be having a super entry by using my entry model. Okay, this is the 15 minutes buy sell liquidity. So we are having a super SMT with ES. We will be having a super SMT with ES. You can see the SMT with ES. So I'll be showing you those. You can see here like 15 minutes, right? You can see this is the buy sell liquidity. So we having SMT and 2 minutes super confirmation. We can enter in 2 minutes. If I was reading the price because I should not take more than two trades per day. So I just close my trades and I think I know should not be entering in this trade, guys. So you can see here this is the super inversion. So you should wait for the inversion. So I go for 1 minute and seeing this 1 minute FEG got inverse. So if I was here, I definitely am entering here, right, guys. Here I'll be keeping myself right here. I just focusing on this to That's enough. So this is the trade if I was not entering in years. So the lesson I learned today is if you force yourself, definitely market is going to punish. And if you're focusing on thing, just focus on one thing. If I focus on MNQ, definitely I'm not going to lose today $300. So everything is our mistake, learn from the mistake and just keep going. If you have a doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys. Bye, traders.